While most people say you need days or weeks to set up your tech ecosystem, I'm going to show you how to launch your entire tech stack on the internet's #1 platform in under 10 minutes, from buying your domain name to going live. Okay, let's jump right in. Now, we're going to be using Cloudflare.com, which is the gold standard for registering your domain. Now, you can forget about all those other clunky domain registrars. Okay. You can create a free Cloudflare account. Go to cloudflare.com. Over on the left-hand side, once you log in, you'll see domain registration and then register domains. I've put in an example here of launchmybusiness.com, which do a little search. It will tell you if it's available or not. And if it's not available, it's going to suggest other domain names for you. Once you find one in that list that you like, click confirm, enter all of your billing, payments, details, and let Cloudflare do the rest. Okay. Once you are done purchasing your domain name, we're gonna go over to the Leap 10 page. Okay. Now, this might look a little bit different by the time you're viewing this page. This is for founding members, or the first 50 people. This is built on WordPress. Okay. Completely customized for your coaching expertise, course creation, business. Click on the Get Started Now button. It's going to take you to a checkout page where you're going to get a free 14-day trial. Okay. I've already filled all of this information out. Afterwards, it's going to send you an email. Okay. Now, this is where it gets pretty fun. Inside the email, there is a unique link specifically for your account. Okay. We're going to click that link and it's going to launch the builder. Okay. Enter your information. It should pull from that unique link. We're going to click continue and the site is ready. Okay. We can launch this. We can view exactly what this looks like. Now, this is a template that we have built in for coaches. Okay. You can go in and change the images if you're a male coach. Very easy to do. We'll be covering that in some other videos, but your site is live. Okay. In a matter of 3 minutes, 2 minutes, maybe, not even. Okay, you'll notice here, this expires in 13 days, 23 hours and 59 minutes, basically 14 days. What you need to do before that time is you need to actually go live, okay? I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. There's a magic login button down below. We're gonna jump into the administrative piece of Leap 10, which again, is just the WordPress admin panel. But what I've done over the years is curated the top plugins that you need to run your entire online business. Okay. Specifically for coaches, course creators, experts, we have, funnels, automations, quizzes, booking appointments, all that stuff. Okay. But that's not what this video is about. You'll see over here in the top right is a go live. Okay. This is going to walk us through the steps to actually connect our custom domain. So we're going to click proceed here. And this is actually setting up our live site. All right, we are back. So our site is live. You can see here the destination is this link here, which is kind of ugly, right? That's why we purchased a custom domain. So what you want to do after this is go into manage site. You're going to land on a page similar to this. And what we want to do now is connect our domain that we purchased in Cloudflare to this. Okay. So we're going to click on this map domain. Okay. So I'm going to use an example of a URL here. So this is a domain that I purchased on Cloudflare. Okay. I'm going to go over here and click on DNS. I'm going to come back to this page here. I'm going to use sixfigsframework.com. Okay, we want to make this the primary. Okay, so what we're going to do is, and I'll show you exactly how to do this, is create 2 A records, okay, pointing to this IP. So we're going to click this copy icon and let's go back into Cloudflare and we're going to add a record. Okay, we're going to select A. We're going to use the @ symbol, which is basically using the root domain here, which is sixfigsframework.com. And we're going to turn this toggle off and click save. Now let's go back in and copy the second one here. And let's go add a record, a name. We're going to use the @ symbol again, put in that number, turn the proxy status off and click save. Typically should give it a couple seconds, a minute or so. to actually propagate, but we're gonna click map domain and see how fast this actually works. Okay, that is it, guys. Look, we can check our SSL, which is the safety certificate. Now, again, this might take a couple minutes, okay? This was almost instantaneous. This used to take 48 hours to actually propagate, and now we can do this in a matter of minutes. So pretty cool there. All right, let's just check this one more time. Okay, there we go. So it might take 20, 30 seconds, okay? And once you're done, you can click on this link, and there you have it, guys. Your online business set up in a matter of minutes. Now, if you're a coach, an expert, a consultant, a course creator, and you're ready to break free from all the other clunky softwares, outdated methods, and you want to build a lasting brand online, smash that subscribe button and join me as we simplify the tech so you can focus on making more money.